Good morning, students. How are you? This is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Hope all of you very fine. Let's start with the date. Today is Tuesday, 21st April 2020. Take out your learner's book, page number 38 and 39. The unit is 4.3 and our topic is sorting materials. The unit is 4.3 and the topic is sorting materials. So open your learner's book, page number 38 and 39. Today we will focus on some difficult words of this unit. The first number is recycle. The spelling is RECYCLE. RECYCLE, recycle. Number 2, bottles. BOTTLES, bottles. BOTTLES, bottles. Number 3, CLOTHES, clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. Number 4, useful. USEFUL, useful. USEFUL, useful. Number 5, new. NEW. NEW, new. Number 6, waste. WASTE. WASTE, waste. Number 7, OLD, old. THINGS, things. All things. OLD, THINGS, all things. And number 8 is materials. MATERIALS. MATERIALS, materials. I will revise all the difficult words again. Recycle, bottles, clothes, useful, new, waste, old things, and the last one is materials. After the difficult words, we have one question. What are 3 R's? 3 R's means number 1, reuse, REUSE, reuse. Number 2, reduce, REDUCE, reduce. And number 3, recycle, RECYCLE, recycle. These 3 names, reuse, reduce and recycle, we are together telling 3 R's. On the right hand, you can see there is a circle and with a green arrow, this is showing recycle, reduce and reuse. So what is the question? What are 3 R's? The answer is reuse, reduce, recycle. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Number 1 is reuse. Reuse means, re means again, use means again use. Something that we can use again, that will come in the reuse. Reuse, you can see on your screen there are some old clothes, malabis, and on the right hand there are the boxes. So these old dresses we can give to any poor person or in the family. If someone is smaller than you, you can share your clothes to your someone smaller one, your brother, your sister, like that. And these boxes, look, you can see there is the use of these boxes. Color pencils are there. We can keep our brushes in these boxes. We can make an stand, and we can also use these boxes in the kitchen for keeping the spoons, forks, etc. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using this boxes again. We are using this clothes again. So we will see what we are doing. We are reusing the things. Okay. Now other old things are on your screen. You can see on the right hand there are the toys. When your toys become old, or if you are buying the new toys, you can give your old toys to someone, some other one. You can give these toys to your any friend, any poor boy, poor girl. And on the left hand you can see there are the use of your old things, like you can see there is the Pepsi bottle, green Pepsi bottle, how they are making the pencil box of that bottle. You can use you can make any bag, any decorative material from the old things. So these all things will come in the reuse. Okay, what we are doing, we are reusing the old things again. Okay, so this is called reuse. Okay, now number 2 is reduce. Reduce means less use. Something we should use less. You can see on your screen there are the pictures of plastic bottles, glass bottle, Pepsi cans. Okay, so we should use these types of things less. Shoya. Okay, if we will use the plastic materials less, or this can, like these things we are using less, so we can keep our area clean. Because when we are using water bottle, this plastic water bottle we are using and throwing in the dustbin. Okay, so this is making more a lot of waste and making our area dirty. So some things are there we should use less. So this is come in the reduce column. Now number 3 is recycle. Recycles means any things we are throwing in the waste materials, we can use them and we can make from the old things, we can make the new things. This is called recycle. Re means again, and cycle means circle. So we can make a circle of old things into new things. Okay, I will show the next slide, in that it is clear. You can see there is the roll of paper, and we are making our books from the paper. When our paper books become old or it tear, we are throwing it into the dustbin, and from the dustbin the old papers are going to the factory, and in the factory they are making the new papers from the old paper. So this is called recycle. Okay, this is called recycle. Now your homework is write and learn all the difficult words. Write and learn all the difficult words. Tomorrow I will explain you again what are 3 R's. Thank you so much. Bye bye.